Oh man, I've been waiting for 6 Neighborhood to drop for like months. Stuff's never gonna come out, man. Wake up. What do you mean wake up? Six Neighborhood dropped early. Yo, let me check this out. Okay, that's a sweet shirt. I'm definitely gonna get that. Fast shipping. That's pretty fast shipping. All right. Let's see what's gonna match with that. I gotta get some shorts. This is it right here. I had to come. All right. I'm definitely gonna need a hat. So let me just. Thank you. And I'm gonna get some socks. Fuck yeah. I can't wait to put this on.
These are the nicest clothes I've ever had.
Damn!
Yeah.
Boy, you did that. What is that?
Bro, it's 6 Neighborhood.
That's 6. It's 6 out.
Right now? Check the app. Stop. I'm telling you, bro. Check the app.
Oh, that's me right here.
Yeah. That's the
Okay.
one.
Medium, extra.
Wait. Are you sure that's what you want?
Yeah, what, you good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm just adding to cart. Just adding to cart. Yeah, no, it's fine. I'll be
Okay,
over here.